Today we've got an important topic to discuss that might be causing you some sleepless nights. Noisy pipes. Noisy pipes can be a homeowner's worst nightmare, but don't worry, we've got you covered. If you're experiencing those unsettling sounds echoing through your Coachella home, we're here to help you understand what's causing them and how to fix it. One of the main culprits is something called the water hammer effect. Imagine fast-moving water inside your pipes suddenly coming to a stop when you close a valve or faucet. This sudden stoppage creates pressure waves that travel through your pipes, resulting in those loud thuds that you've been hearing. This happens when high-speed water doesn't have enough cushioning like an air chamber to absorb its kinetic energy when valves are closed. But that's not all. Another sneaky contributor to noisy pipes is trapped air bubbles. These tiny pockets can disrupt the regular flow of water and cause unusual gurgling or rattling sounds. They can get into your plumbing system through leaks or changes in temperature. Once trapped, they interfere with the smooth flow of water, creating those strange noises. Now let's talk about some common causes behind noisy pipes. High water pressure can be like an overzealous conductor in an orchestra, driving your plumbing system too hard and causing discordant sounds. This not only disrupts the tranquility of your home, but can also lead to structural damage within your plumbing network. Your appliances, like dishwashers and washing machines, might have worn-out washers that produce whistling or squealing tunes. Hard water can accelerate washer degradation. Regular inspections can save you from headaches and costly repairs. Gurgling is often a sign of clogged copper pipes. Trapped air bubbles inside blocked pipes create this distinctive sound which, if left unattended, can lead to more serious problems. A squeaking or whistling noise may indicate issues with your main water supply valve. This usually happens when there's too much pressure on the valve, causing turbulent flow and vibrations. Vibrations leading to rattling noises are usually caused by loose fasteners. These vibrations can lead to wear and tear on surrounding fixtures, so address them promptly. Squeaking sounds from copper pipes often signal high pressure levels. Elevated pressures can lead to leaks and potential structural damage to your home over time. So remember, those strange noises in your pipes aren't ghosts, but they could be water hammers, trapped air bubbles, high water pressure, worn-out washers, or loose fasteners. Persistent plumbing noise might indicate underlying issues, and it's crucial to address them. But if all of this seems overwhelming, don't worry, help is just a click away. At Anthem, we're experts at dealing with noisy pipes. We're here to silence those irritating noises once and for all, so you can enjoy peace again in your Coachella home. Connect with us today, and let's restore tranquility back into your living space together.